All right, everyone. We are at the. Where are we at?
The Miller's house.
The Miller's house, and we're about to go in and see what's going on inside. And then after this, we're going to head over to the wood shop. Well, we're in the mill house, and it's wonderfully decorated. They're cooking cider and cookies, and oh my gosh, it's Goober the Traveling Bear. He has arrived here also at historic Jerusalem Mills. Oh, sir, where are we at now?
Well, sir, you are at the Miller's house. The Miller's house is a two-story stone house that was used as a tenant house by the miller. He did not live in it, as far as we know. He rented it. So that's the way they decided to call it the Miller's house, because he did own the place. So it's 2 stories, and the only source of heat that we have is the fireplace. In really cold weather, you're very comfortable on this side of the table, the fireplace. When you're on this side, you can see your breath.
You could, just that many feet away would be about 10 feet.
There's a vent hole down there. I don't know when it's put in, but it doesn't do a damn thing.
Wow.
All the heat, if any, goes up the stairways.
And what are we cooking today?
Shrewsbury cakes, made of butter and flour and sugar and currants.
So they're not microwavable, huh?
No, they have to be baked. I've
And
never
What's
tried
a
one
microwave?
before. Yes,
And I see you're baking some right now.
yes. We hope they don't
I,
have to move
been,
a little bit closer sometimes because of the cold air in here.
many years ago.
But then I have to watch them more carefully because they'll get baked on one side, not on the other side.
All right. Well, thank you for all that you do here for history, and Goober the Traveling Bear says thank you too.
Well,